are the ancient Mizo, myths of supernatural creatures and mystical realms linked to the clandestine powers of the Illuminati. Some theorists believe this connection runs deeper than we think. But what if there's a third player in this cosmic game, alien technology? Could it be that extraterrestrial influence has shaped both Mizo folklore and the Illuminati's secretive agenda? The mysterious symbols and cryptic messages associated with the Illuminati have long intrigued conspiracy theorists. But when we look at the intricate patterns and enigmatic stories woven into Mizo mythology, one can't help but wonder if both are influenced by something otherworldly.